Hey, welcome to this mini course, Vibe Coder Entrepreneur. In the next 30 minutes, I will show you how to think like a Vibe coder, how to turn your ideas into clear app concepts, and how to actually build something real without writing code. You do not need to be a programmer. You just need curiosity, basic computer skills, and a willingness to experiment. So what is a Vibe coder? A Vibe coder is someone who designs software experiences by talking to AI instead of writing raw code. You are not the person wrestling with semicolons and syntax. You are the person deciding who this tool is for, what problem it solves, what the flow feels like. You code using prompts, examples, constraints, feedback to AI tools and no-code platforms. Think of yourself as a director. The AI and no-code tools are your crew. 10 years ago, if you had an idea for a web app, you usually had to hire developers, spend thousands of dollars, wait months for version 1. Today, tools like Lovable.dev can generate a working app from a prompt in minutes. AI can draft copy, flows, and even database logic for you. This changes who gets to build. Freelancers, social workers, coaches, credit repair experts, real estate agents, teachers, anyone can ship useful tools now. Vibe coders create things like micro SaaS tools, templates and workflows, automation agents that connect different apps, niche expert systems like Youth Session Planner or Credit Dispute Helper. You do not need a huge platform. You just need one tool that solves one painful problem for a specific person. Will one app make you rich overnight? Very unlikely. But can you build real tools, help real people, earn real income, even in small streams? Absolutely. This mini course will give you the path to get started. In the next lesson, we will shift your mindset from consumer to creator, and I will walk you through the habits that Vibe coder entrepreneurs use to move fast without burning out. Let's go. Tools are powerful, but your mindset controls how far you go. Most people stay stuck because they think, I'm not technical enough. I don't know where to start. I will work on it when it is perfect. Let's throw that out. A consumer scrolls, watches, likes, and maybe comments. A creator builds things that other people use. Vibe coders ask, what problem keeps showing up in my world? Can I build a tiny tool that makes that easier? What is the smallest version I can launch in a week or less? Here are a few rules to live by as a Vibe coder. Rule 1. Build tiny first. Your first version should feel almost too simple, but clearly useful. Rule 2. Shipping is learning. You learn more from 10 imperfect releases than one perfect idea in your head. Rule 3. Think in experiments. Ask, what is my next experiment? Instead of, is this good enough? You might be thinking, I'm not a real developer. Good. You are not trying to be. You are the director. AI is your crew. Everyone starts awkward. Your first app will be basic. That is not a bug. That is the point. Let's talk habits. You do not need 8 hours a day. You need consistent, focused sessions. Try this. Pick 360 to 90-minute build blocks a week. Put them on your calendar. Treat them like meetings with your future self. You can do a lot in 3 focused sessions per week if you open Lovable, open your notes, and just move your app one small step forward. Early on, ignore vanity metrics like followers. Track. How many experiments did I ship this month? How many real conversations did I have with potential users? How many people did my tool actually help? If those numbers keep moving, you are winning. Next, we will turn your ideas from fuzzy vibes into clear, buildable specs that you can feed directly into Lovable. See you in Lesson 3. You know what a Vibe coder is. You have the right mindset. Now let's go practical. We will turn your idea into a spec. Turn that spec into a lovable prompt. See how that becomes a working app. We will use a simple framework. User. Who is this for? Problem. What hurts or wastes time? Outcome. What does success look like? Behavior. What the app actually does. Here is a fill-in sentence you can reuse. I am building a tool for user who struggle with problem. It helps them. Outcome by behavior of the app. Example. I am building a tool for adults in the US who feel overwhelmed disputing inaccurate items on their credit reports. It helps them send clear, structured dispute letters by asking a few guided questions and then generating a ready-to-mail letter in plain English. That is a spec. Now we convert it into a lovable prompt. Your first version will be rough. Perfect. You might then say to Lovable, update the UI so the instructions are at the top in simple language, and make the Generate button larger. Also add a note under the output that says, always review this letter before sending. Lovable updates the app. You test again. This loop is the essence of vibe coding. In the final lesson, we will talk about how to make money from a small app like this and how to use your book and content to fuel the whole ecosystem. Let's finish strong. You have an idea. You know how to build a basic app. Now let's talk money and momentum. You do not need a complex pricing grid. Here are 3 simple options. One-time purchase example. Lifetime access to the Credit Dispute Letter app, $49. Subscription example. Youth Social Work Toolkit, $29 per month for ongoing updates. Bundle with your book or mini course example. Get the book plus access to the app for $79. The key is to connect your price to value. Time saved, stress reduced, money protected or gained. Your Amazon KDP book is not just a book. It is proof that you know your stuff, a lead generator, a deep dive for people who want more than just a tool. You can mention your app throughout the book, include a link to a special reader bonus page, give readers extra templates if they sign up. Think of your marketing like a flywheel. You post helpful content or demos on YouTube and social. People find you and buy the book or try the app. The best ones join your email list or community. They give you feedback and stories. You use those stories to create more content and better products. You do not need to go viral. A small, focused audience that you serve well is enough. Here is a basic 30-day plan. Week 1. Finish your MVP in Lovable. Share behind the scenes. Week 2. Share a public demo and invite early users. Week 3. Publish or promote your KDP book and tie it to your app. Week 4. Gather testimonials, refine your offer, and experiment with price or messaging. You do not have to get this perfect. Your first goal is simple. Ship one tiny, real tool. Put it in front of real people. Learn what happens. That alone puts you ahead of 99% of people who only dream and scroll. If you want the deeper playbook, grab the full Vibe Coder Entrepreneur book, build along with it, and turn this mini course into your first real product ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and go build something.